All right, welcome to our notes on evaluating expressions using substitutions. We now know how to use order of operations to evaluate expressions. So now we want to take an expression, be able to substitute a value into it, and then still then evaluate it. Now, my biggest tip for you guys, all right, when you guys are evaluating, when substituting expressions into substituting values into expressions, is always use parentheses. All right, when substituting, I'm just going to abbreviate into an expression. I'll put an exclamation point after it. All right, that really helps, especially with negatives. Okay, so let's take a look at how easy this is. So we're going to evaluate 6z squared when z equals -2. So where I see a z, I'm going to put it in -2. Now I see those numbers kind of look alike. Watch with me now. So I'm going to rewrite the 6. Now wherever I see a z, I'm going to put the parentheses and I'm going to plug in -2. And then I'm going to put the exponent. Now, once we've done that substitution, it's the same lesson as yesterday. We just have to evaluate using order of operations. We learned yesterday exponents first. So I'm going to take care of this -2 squared. So it's -2 times itself. So that becomes 6 times +4. And then our final answer then is just going to equal 24. That's all we're doing, guys. Pretty simple. Okay, substituting in and then solving. But make sure to use those parentheses, especially for negatives. Let's do one more quick example. Right here, a little bit longer, we may have more than one value to substitute into. That's okay. So it's telling us for x, we're going to follow the same steps. X is 3. It's telling us that y is -5. And it's telling us that z is -4. We're going to use those parentheses wherever we see those that variable. We're going to plug it in. So for x, it tells me that x is 3. So I'm still going to use my parentheses. I'm going to put 3. Okay, I'm going to put plus. And then it's 2 times y. We said y is -5. Using those parentheses. Minus, all right, then z. Z, it says, is -4. You can see here why those parentheses are so important. At this point, we just evaluate. Order of operations, multiplication first. So this right here, 2 times -5, that becomes -10. I've got 3, and then I can see here that I've got the minus. A minus will become a +4. So watch those signs when you're doing these problems. 3 minus 10, that is -7. So when I combine these, again, left to right, 3 minus 10 is -7, +4, which equals -3. And there's our answer.